Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to show chat history to new members using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Telegram has made it even easier to control what new members can see when they join your group. Let's walk through the simple steps to make chat history visible for everyone who joins. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find the group you manage as an admin and click to open it. Now that you're inside the group chat, look at the top of the window where the group's name is displayed. Click on the group name to open the group's information page. Here, you'll see details about the group, including members, shared media, and settings. Next, look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol. Click on this icon to enter the group's settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Chat History for New Members. This is the key feature that controls whether new members can see messages sent before they join the group. By default, this setting may be turned off, meaning new members only see messages from the moment they join. To change this, simply check or enable the option so that chat history is visible to everyone who joins from now on. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your group's chat history accessible to all new members. This is especially useful if your group shares important information, discussions, or announcements that newcomers need to catch up on. Remember, managing chat history visibility helps keep your group organized and ensures everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips to make the most out of your Telegram groups.